Are you experiencing issues with downloading on Telegram using your PC? Let's troubleshoot and resolve this problem together. Here are some steps to help you fix the Telegram downloading problem. First, try restarting your device. A simple restart can often fix temporary glitches or conflicts that may be affecting your downloading experience on Telegram. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. It's important to check for device updates. Ensure that your device's operating system is up to date to avoid compatibility issues with apps like Telegram. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, consider disabling it temporarily. VPNs and proxies can sometimes disrupt the app's functionality, leading to downloading problems on Telegram. If the previous steps do not solve the problem, don't hesitate to contact Telegram support. Reach out to Telegram's official support channels for further assistance and guidance in resolving the downloading issue. By following these steps, you can hopefully address the Telegram downloading problem on your PC and resume downloading files smoothly. Thank you for tuning in. We hope these tips help you resolve the downloading problem on Telegram when using your PC. Stay tuned for more helpful tech-related content and troubleshooting guides.